Top of the morning to you. Actually, it's not morning. I'm just putting out a couple of videos to talk about things that are that I have learned, and maybe you can get some benefit from it also. So my son, who's a blacksmith and quite the do-it-yourselfer guy, says, now this is a tool that you need. You will use this thing constantly, every day. It's a Husky. It's got a little screwdriver attachment, I guess is what that is. And it fits right in there, although I've never seen it before. And you know how much I use this tool? Absolutely, I have never used it. So if you're an electrician, don't bother buying this thing. You will never use it. Or at least if you find a use for it that is better than some other tool that we use, please drop me a line and tell me what the heck you can do with this. If you're a painter, hey, maybe you can make great use out of it. But otherwise, has no use for an electrician. Thank you for listening. If that was valuable for you, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time. Bye now.